Maraming Pilipino nangangarap magkaroon ng sariling bahay, pero madalas hirap sa requirements. Kailangan ng pag-ibig, or bank financing, payslip. Pero what if I tell you na you only need 2 valid IDs to own a house here in Rizal? Welcome to Grand Villas Place dito sa Teresa, Rizal. Grand Villas Place is located po dito sa Barangay Dalig, Sitio Abuyod, Teresa, Rizal, just 9.3 kilometers away from Antipolo proper and about 25 kilometers to Ortigas or Mega Mall. Malapit to sa Abuyod Elementary School, hospitals, market, and only 9 kilometers to Sumulong Memorial Circle. Hindi lang ho to subdivision, it's a complete community. So magkakaroon ho dito ng clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court, jogging area, and meron pang allocated na space para sa school and todo terminal para sa transportation. Meron ho tayong 3 model units sa project na to. Let's start sa IRA model. Meron po itong lot area na 50 square meter, floor area na 30. This is a 1-story townhouse. Meron po itong 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and carport. So fully finished ho yung turnover nito, so lilipat ka na lang. And the price starts at 1.7 million. Reservation fee is 15,000. And down payment nito is 14K for 24 months. And yung monthly amortization naman for 25 years is 11,582. Next naman ho is itong Esha model. Ito yung ating townhouse B. Meron tong lot area na 50 square meter, floor area na 54 square meter. This is a 2-story house. Meron 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and carport. So fully furnished din po to upon turnover. And yung price starts at 2,458,000. Yung reservation fee, 15K pa rin. Down payment niya is aabot ng 19,858 per month for 24 months. And yung monthly amortization niya is 15,834 for 25 years. So, next natin na option is yung Tara model. Ito yung ating townhouse C. So, meron tong lot area na 50 square meter, floor area na 55. So, meron siyang provision for 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Bare type ho yung turnover na to. So, pwede nyo i-design kung ano yung gusto nyo. Yung price starts at 1,698,000. Reservation fee, 15,000. Down payment niya is 13,525 per month for 24 months. Yung monthly naman niya for 25 years is 10,938. So wala pa ho itong model house. Ito ho ay 2-story house and bare type naman. And so meron ho kayo 3 option kung gusto niyo ng fully furnished or 2-story house and bare type man o hindi, may mili na lang ho kayo. And the best part ho, no need na ho ng pag-ibig or bank financing. So wala hong kailangan na ipa-approve, di ho kayo mag-aalala. As long as alam nyo kaya nyong bayaran or ng buong pamilya nyo yung unit, wala ho kayong aalalahanin sa requirements. So ang kailangan lang ho is TIN ID and 2 valid ID, birth certificate, and proof of billing like Meralco. And so wala na hong payslip, walang bank statement, walang employment certificate kailangan. And yes ho, pwede nyo siyang i-transfer yung unit sa immediate family member. And so if you're an OFW or small business owner, Grab driver, virtual assistant, or nagirenta pa kayo and ready na kayong kumuha ng sarili nyong bahay, Grand Villas Place could be perfect for you. So i-message nyo lang ho ako today if you want to reserve your slot habang pre-selling pa and bago pa tumaas yung presyo. I'll be posting updates sa construction moving forward. So huwag nyo kalimutang i-like tong video na to, mag-subscribe, and i-share to sa mga kaibigan nyo who's dreaming of a home in Rizal. So i-click nyo lang ho dyan yung detailed na house tour ng bawat project, and thank you all for watching.